Ever wondered how to say, "My brain is experiencing a buffer overflow," in Arabic with a Romanized twist? Get ready to impress your friends with phrases that turn science into comedy, all while learning to roll your A's and gains like a local. Roman Arabic, or Arabizi, is the art of writing Arabic sounds with Latin letters and numbers, perfect for texting and viral captions. Today, we're blending lab coats and laughter with a dose of linguistic flair. First up, the ultimate procrastination science excuse, Laysa hunaka shay ismuhu tabi, fakat tahawu altaka minute shakal ila akir. Translation: there is no such thing as tiredness, only energy changing from one form to another. Use it when you need a nap. Pronounce, Laysa hunaka shay ismuhu tabi, fakat tahawal atita minute shakal ila akir. That deep H in tahawul is like a gentle breath from your chest. Second phrase for dodgy internet. Al-mujtama, al-rakmi yaftakid ila al-itibat. Mithlama todiyu al-jusaymat al-lati la tatafa'o. Meaning, the digital society lacks connection, just like particles that don't interact. Perfect caption for a loading screen. Say, al-mujtama, al-rakma yaftakid ila al-itibat. Mithlama tadiye uljusaymat olati la tatafao. Trill the in RQMI softly, like a purring cat. Third, for a messy room, blame entropy. Odali, al-ashwiya laziza fa'i gafati wa laysa fakat fa'i al-kor. Translation: sorry, entropy is delicious in my room and not just in the universe. Shrug and smile. Utter, Odali. Al-ashwatya lazizia fa'i gfatwa laysa fakat fa'i al-korn. The I in ashwaya comes from your throat. Imagine a sip of water stuck mid-gulp. Fourth, to calm a heated debate. Hasab kalan al-haraka al-thalith Newton. Likol rad fil musawi lahu fil miqdar wa muakiz lahu filatija. In English, according to Newton's third law of motion, for every reaction there is an equal and opposite action. Or simply, don't overreact. Pronounce, Hasab Qa'n al-haraka akhtiuchayif li nayutam. Likol rad fil musawi lahu fil miqdar wa muakis lahu fil itija. It's a mouthful, but that's the charm. Bonus phrase for cat lovers, Qit Schrödinger. Haya wa mayita fi nafs al-waqt. Mathal al-mushahada. Translation: Schrödinger's cat. Alive and dead at the same time, like my motivation on Monday. Pronounce, Qit Schrödinger, Hawaii wa mayita fi nafs al-waqt. Mathal al-mushahada. Pro tip: when you text these, replace the number 3 for in and 7 for ha, to keep it cool. For instance, Ashwaya becomes 3 Ashwa 2 Aya. This Arabizi code will earn you instant geek cred. Now you have 5 Roman Arabic science singers to lighten any lab, lecture, or social media banter. Practice them, play with the emphatic consonants, and enjoy sounding like a witty polymath. Even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, your enthusiasm will fuse science and culture into pure laughter. Share your favorite phrase with a friend and watch their face light up in confusion and delight. Language and science were never this entertaining. Until next time, yalla, keep experimenting. Mistakes are just quantum leaps to mastery. Yalla.